Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we were doing B8. So these three questions we have already done yesterday. I had shared the link in the WhatsApp group also. Now next is these two questions. I'm going to elaborate them. So here it is. What would have happened if Nan Kaka had not visited the hospital again on second day? So the answer is Sunil Gavaskar would have been exchanged with the fisherwoman's son and would have become a fisherman, not a cricketer. So these questions I'm going to share here also. Next is mixed up. The newborn babies got mixed up when they were given the bath. This I'm going to share in the link also. So these two questions completes the exercise of B8. It had 5 questions. Now life skills. So now actually life skills questions are discussed in the classroom mostly, and some of them are done in the copies. So I'll just go through the question first. B9. Gavaskar was reunited with his family only because of the sharp observation skills of his uncle. Discuss in the class how the simple power of observation is an absolutely essential skill for life. So this you can do for homework. In this you have to write how observation, not more than 2-3 lines are required. You have to write, I'm just elaborating the question, you have to write that how your observation skills are essential, because if you observe things then keenly you are able to make it out that what the problem is, what the situation is. So for this you have to write 2-3 lines answer. Next is B10. Get into group of this we are going to do in the classroom, leave this. B11. Rohit has won the chess championship of his school. After coming back home he writes his feeling in his personal diary. Read what he has written. So this is a kind of example they're giving. Wednesday, July 4th, I won the Red Cross Chess Championship today. It was a very exciting match which lasted an hour and a half. I was very nervous in the beginning, but slowly I gained my confidence. My hands were shaking when I received the trophy. It was the happiest moment of my life. So this is how you write diary entry. So what is diary entry basically? What is personal diary? Whatever you feel, whatever feelings you have, you write in, jot it down in a kind of a small diary or a piece of paper, where your emotions, you take out your emotions, what you're feeling, that is diary. Some people have personal diaries, some keep their diaries, and really it's a very very good habit to keep personal diaries because it enhances your writing skills. So next is B12. This question also you have to do in homework. I'll just elaborate this question. Again the answer should be very precise in 2-3 lines. Suppose the baby with whom Sunil was exchanged reads this story. What would be his reaction? Okay. Suppose he gets to read this story. What will be his reaction? So this you have to do in homework. Next question, I'm going to share the link in the WhatsApp group also. So it is imagine you are that baby now grown into a successful businessman with many fishing boats for a deep sea fishing. Take clues from the above diary extract. Describe your feelings about the incident in the space given below. So here I will start West Coast, 24th April, because today the date is 24th, here it is 27th, but you have to write 24th. I was surprised to read the book written by, from here I am starting, Sunil Gavaskar, in which he has written about the mix-up at birth. Today, I have become a very successful businessman, but it could only happen because of Gavaskar's uncle. If he would have not noticed the hole of the earlobe, would I have been a famous person or not? What about Sunil Gavaskar? His life would have been changed. I can't say anything much but still I thank his uncle from saving us from getting mixed up. So this I'm going to share in the WhatsApp link also, and this completes the second lesson of first unit sports. So that much for today. I'm going to share these things in the link also for your homework. Again, I'm reminding you that you have to do B9 and B12, and the answer should be very short in 2-3 lines. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.